If you are looking for the best Rollaway beds, then this video will be helpful for you. Watch till the end to find the perfect one. Best overall, Milliard Premium Folding Rollaway Bed. For a Rollaway bed that is comfortable, practical and sturdy, the Milliard Premium Folding Rollaway Bed is our top overall pick. The Milliard Rollaway Bed has a clamshell folding design and is only approximately 12 inches across when folded up, making it easy to store away. It's easy enough for one person to handle setup without any difficulty. Best Memory Foam Rollaway Bed, Lucid Rollaway Guest Bed. Memory foam mattresses have been popping up in place of traditional innerspring mattresses, and Rollaway beds are no exception. The Lucid Rollaway Guest Bed is our top pick for a Rollaway bed with memory foam mattress. It comes with a 4-inch thick memory foam mattress, with a backside that has slight grip added to keep it from sliding on the frame. Note that when folded, it is not as compact as some other Rollaway beds, since the legs don't fold flush to the sides of the bed. You'll need at least 14 inches of space to store this Rollaway bed. Best for small spaces, iBed Rollaway Guest Bed. For a thin, space-saving Rollaway bed, the best bed is the iBed Memory Foam Rollaway Guest Bed. This ultra-slim Rollaway bed folds to a mere 5 inches thickness and can be stored in a closet, under a traditional bed, or in any other tight spot. Many Rollaway beds are anywhere from 12 to 15 when folded, making this a clear winner for small spaces. The iBed has a 3 inches memory foam mattress, which is certainly not the plushest mattress available. Still, users consistently rate this Rollaway as a comfortable solution for occasional sleeping and have no regrets about purchasing it. Its affordable purchase price makes it an even better value. If you need an extra bed but are short on space to store one, then this is definitely the way to go.